Okay, folks, example number 3. Oh, look. B is like one that I was talking about at the end of the last example. We'll get to that in a minute. But let's look at A. What's the first thing I want to do with A, Cameron? Divide both sides by 5, absolutely. Get that perfect square by itself, right? So now I'm going to have x minus 4 squared is equal to 8. Okay? Now what do I want to do, Libby? Square root both sides. Okay, so now I'm going to get x minus 4 is equal to what, Jet? X minus 4 is equal to what? Okay, Libby told us to take the square root of both sides. So the square root of the quantity x minus 4 squared is just x minus 4. What does that equal? Plus or minus the square root of 8. That's what I'm asking. Okay, A is positive. A is positive. When it's positive, we got to give the positive and the negative. Okay? So now what do I want to do, Allie? Exactly. So I'm going to add 4 here and add 4 over here. And I've got x is equal to 4 plus or minus root 8. Okay. Okay. Getting there. Getting there. What do I not like about this yet? I don't really want to separate it yet. I'm close. Very close. But what's the problem with what I've got here? I've got 4 plus or minus root 8. What do you think, Walker? Exactly. I need to simplify root 8. And I can make that 2 and 4, 2 and 2, root 2, root 2, root 2. That turns into a 2 root 2. Beautiful. Walker's done this enough time that she told me already. Root 8 is 2 root 2. Okay, good. So now x is equal to 4 plus or minus 2 root 2. Now I'm going to just separate it and say x equals 4 plus 2 root 2 and x equals 4 minus 2 root 2. Ms. Cortez, do I need to factor that? Because both terms have a 2. I can pull it out front. I don't need to. This isn't a fraction. I'm not going to reduce it. Okay? There's nothing that I'm going to be able to cancel out. So I can leave it simplified in its simplest form. Just multiply back together. Jet, are we good?
Yeah.
Does that make sense? Okay. Lauren S., you good? All right. Now, Lauren S., what do you think I want to do here at B? Okay, let's factor this thing. Let's look at this thing and factor it. Okay? If it's a perfect square. Now, wait a minute. Whoa, whoa, whoa. Wait a minute. Do you agree that in the past, to solve quadratics, we've done this? Is that right? Get everything on one side with just 0 on the other? Do you agree that we've done that in the past?
Yes.
Right? Why are we not doing that now, Mr. C? Well, we could. We could. But because we're educated and we've been in Algebra 1 for a while, we see that, whoa, wait a minute. This looks like a perfect square. A number multiplied by itself gives me 9 and added to itself gave me 6. What number is that? 3. Y plus 3 squared equals 49. Lauren S., what do I do here? Take the square root of both sides since it's algebra. I'm going to get y plus 3 is equal to what, Ryan?
7. Oh, plus or minus 7.
Plus or minus 7. Okay? Guys, you got to get that down there. You need to get it in your head because I'm going to count off for it. Okay? It's plus or minus 7. You got to get both possibilities. Now I'm going to subtract 3 from both sides, so I've got that y is equal to negative 3 plus or minus 7. Now I'm going to I'm going to separate these two. Y is equal to negative 3 plus 7, and y is equal to negative 3 minus 7. Y is equal to 4. Y is equal to negative 10. Okay? Walker, quickly.
Wait, how did you get to
Y plus 3 squared?
Yeah.
Okay, we factored it. Okay? What two numbers? All right, I'm going to have to come back for the next video.